Hello, you wonderful people. 4 new Zontes models coming to the UK. I've been told by Zontes UK that they'll be arriving here in April 2022. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Can't wait to get on one and do a ride on one. So maybe actually buy one, you never know. I've traded my other 310X if I was going to do that. But anyway, we'll have to see what models arrive in the UK, because with the other models that arrived, they only had certain colours. Hopefully they'll have more colours of this particular model. And there's a 125cc version of this bike coming out as well, and that's supposed to be arriving in April 2022. So leave comments in the description, just let me know what you think about the colours and the bike itself. I try to answer all my comments. My biker preference is either 2 options I go for. The orange and silver, or the blue and silver. The blue or the orange there absolutely look amazing. The bikes have enough power and torque to just have some real good fun on tight, twisty roads. The comfy seat and a seat height of 795mm, just the right size for anybody who's 5'8" and above. 32.8 Newton meters of torque. The engine has 29 kilowatts of power, which equates to 39 horsepower. They did actually have it at 45 horsepower, but the vibration of the engine was too much, so they tuned it down with the ECU to 39 brake horsepower. The engine is a double overhead cam engine as well, and unlike the 310 models, which have 2 oil pumps and the oil is pumped through the frame to cool, this particular model with a 350cc engine has an oil-cooled radiator instead at the front, which is below the actual standard water radiator. The curb weight of the vehicle, or the bike should I say, is 188 kilos. It's not too heavy. Fuel economy is set at 3.2 litres per 100 kilometres of travel. All the switchgear is IP67 waterproofed as well. The bike is fitted with a 10 amp hour gel battery, dual USB port with QC3 fast charging. That means 18 watts charging, so it's maximum 36 watts charging per plug-in device. The front 4 shock absorbers are 43mm diameter. Front 4 tubes with an upgraded specification with stronger rigidity, which significantly improves the handling of the whole vehicle and allows you to ride freely on the streets. The central rear shock absorber adopts a design filled with high pressure nitrogen and a 50mm diameter damping cylinder, oversized piston, higher specification than most 1000cc bikes. Shock absorber responds quickly, effectively filters small bumps on the road, more supportive on large uninundated roads, small spring preload, large rear wheel travel, improved riding comfort, so you're not tired on long journeys. Wow, that was a mouthful. The GK350 has the Bosch fuel injection system and a Bosch 9.1 ABS system. It's dual channel, so both the back and the rear are not linked, so they both work independent of each other, which I think is better, because they both do their own thing, if you know what I mean, in wet, sandy, slippery roads. Well, that's it for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on all the latest news. Thank you.